What's up with Charlie's Big Boss? If you're new to the fragrance game, you have clicked on the right video. This is the only video you need to get step by step into the fragrance game. Don't listen to your granddad. Don't listen to the hillbillies. Don't listen to anybody that says you can just drink water and take a shower. Women just love natural body odor. Says who? Please comment below if you ever seen a woman ever say, I'd rather my guy smell like skin over soapy, smell good colognes. I've never heard of it. I don't know what you talk about. You tell me if I'm tripping. Some people's noses are very sensitive to the point where they find you very irritating that you smell good. So there are reasons why they have toilettes, eau de parfums, and these elixirs. That's not really a real concentration. Fragrance influencers that I recommend that are really good, in my opinion, just me, being honest. I play by my own rules. I do what I want to do because I'm Big Boss. You don't believe me? I have a whole playlist on YouTube with 150 different women on the show reviewing fragrances with me. Where should you purchase fragrances? Now this is a juicy take. You can get your fragrances from everywhere. I go to eBay sometimes. See, eBay is nice. If somebody send you a fake bottle, eBay don't play that. You can go ahead, taste eBay, taste the seller, tell them that you want to give the bottle back because it's fake. eBay will give you your money back. There are a lot of fake bottles out here. It's a good caveat, good segue. There are lots of fake bottles. There are fragrances that's called Savage that's supposed to be Sauvage. So just because the bottle might look like a bottle you've seen before, don't mean it's the bottle. Other websites you can buy is called discounter websites. Now it's two different types of websites. Discounter websites, and then there's retail websites. Retail websites is your Sephora, Ulta, Dillard's, Macy's. The stuff that be at the mall, okay? Discounter is websites that aren't stores, okay? So fragrancenet.com, jomashop.com, fragrancex.com, discounter websites like that. Another thing I want to tell y'all, there is subscription websites to pick up fragrances, okay? They have this website called Scentbird. All right, y'all probably seen YouTubers talk about it. This isn't a sponsored video, so you don't got to worry about no ad. I'm just going to tell you about the Scentbird. $15 a month. They send you a little decan of a random scent based off your mood, based off attributes that you want to smell like. Basically, you got to answer like a quiz in the beginning. Like, do you like fresh scents or moody scents or however you want to do it? They send you the decan every 30 days. They send you a new one. I never tried it. People say it's good, I guess. You can also go to Dillard's and get you the $15 testers. Okay, $15. They will give you a tester just like this. They will fill it up from the bottom. They got their own testers. I mean, you ain't got to go to Dillard's and bring your testers up there. They got them already up there in these little capsule things behind the counter. They do not market them. They basically don't want to sell you them because they don't make a lot of commission off of that. You know what I'm saying? So that is the best kept secret. $15. They will fill up this. So you can go in there. I won't create Aventus inside of here. You got to do what you say, man. Hey. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Okay, so I told you where to get your fragrances from. Now, what fragrances could I recommend to start your collection? I'm gonna be honest, I'm always recommend, you know what I'm saying, 1 Million Parfum. If you are in the fragrance game and you just want the honeys and you just want compliments and you want some of that booty do, put some of this on. This is just the panty dropper of all time, okay? This right here gets you a lot of compliments. Women love it. Now, if you at work, stick to Dior Sauvage. You know what I'm saying? You just now starting your collection, go ahead and get you a Paco, get you some Dior Sauvage, and I promise you, with them 2 scents, you kind of in there. You kind of don't even need too much. You know what I'm saying? You don't need too much. You got the fresh banger for every day, and then you got the panty dropper for when you want your honeys. So if you're really working on a budget, probably $200, get them 2 fragrances, and you in there. And like I said, Dillard's got them testers. Another thing I used to do when I was in school, I used to bring the testers to Dillard's. I used to take the caps off the tester bottles they had on the display in Dillard's and fill up my own testers for free. They never got mad. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's bad. I don't know if it's illegal. Do it at your own discretion. But that's what I was doing. Yes, I went to the store and filled up my own testers and walked out of there and said, I don't care. Also, they have small little decants in this basket in some Dillard's where you can kind of fill up that decan yourself. So that's another different way so you can get these fragrances. You know what I'm saying? I'm an oversprayer. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 sprays. I don't care. I spray a lot. Matter of fact, I probably spray on an average of 40 sprays of cologne a day. That means I wake up, take my shower, hush, 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 hush. You know what I'm saying? 6 hours go past. I'm just bored. It's going away. And then when I go to sleep after dinner, and then I spray the sheets. I don't know. I just like cologne. I gotta smell good 24/7 or else I have an attitude. I have a problem. You don't want to see Big Boss when I got my problem. For all my weed smokers out there, the weed, the marijuana, I want to tell y'all about that. Weed makes these fragrances smell different, okay? You smoke weed, I don't know what it do to your nasal passage, but it makes you sense different notes and fragrances. I want you to try it. If you just want to smell every single note and experience a fragrance in a different type of way, get high, get stoned, spray you some cologne on, and then sniff it. I'm telling you, it's a whole different experience. Every cologne will smell different. You know, moisturize your skin. Spray on the cologne when you come out the shower. Unscented lotion, put that on, spray the fragrance on top of that, you in there. You know why I say that? Because your skin is oily all day, whether you like it or not. Your skin needs oils to stay moisturized, you know what I'm saying? And fragrances have oils in it. So if you just spray it on your dry skin, the skin will suck the fragrance oil. Your fragrance oil won't last that long. Your fragrance only lasts an hour or two. And it's not my fault. You coming on my show, like Chris, you said the fragrance lasts all day. Did you follow the directions? I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Nah, it don't last. So I suggest put you on some Vaseline, you know what I'm saying? Petroleum jelly, you know what I'm saying? Put on some unscented lotion. Do that, and you in there, okay? That's fly. Also, fragrances and occasions. I do want to talk about that real quick. You have to match your fragrances with the occasion. So if you are going outside and you got a suit on, you don't want to wear something for panty droppers. Why are you smelling like a sex demon and you at the Met Gala? You're supposed to be smelling sophisticated, okay? If you at a dinner, you really don't want to smell like soap. You want to smell sexy. You know what I mean? If you in the bed with your girl, you want to smell like dessert. If you at work, you don't want to smell like, you know what I mean? You kind of get what I'm saying. And like I said, if you want to know what to wear at work, just go to YouTube, type in top 10 work scents. I probably made a video. Other fragrances made probably made a video, and you're gonna be in there, okay? Same thing about panty droppers. Same thing about going to school. We all make videos about variety of different things. Also, fragrances. It gets very addicting to buy fragrances, okay? Honestly, you only need maybe like one fragrance out of every line, if I was gonna be honest. So if you see Dior Sauvage and they got the Toilette, Eau de Parfum, and Elixir, you really only need one. So just go in the store, pick your favorite one, grab it. Just like Bleu de Chanel, you don't need all 3 Bleu de Chanels. You only really need one. Just pick one that suits you the best. You don't need all the YSL Ys. Pick you one that suits you the best. Ralph Club. Pick you one that suits you the best. I promise you, these companies will drop fragrances that smell identical to each other that you already got in your collection, and you will be very upset. Okay? I'm trying to tell you. Also, don't blind buy if you just now starting out your collection. Smell the fragrances, wear the fragrances, get to know the fragrances or how the fragrances mix with your skin chemistry before you just blind buy and waste your money. Okay? You do not want to waste your money. Fragrances are getting higher and higher in price. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, you bankrupt, and then you in my comments like, you need to buy me a house because you made me buy all these scents. I ain't trying to get y'all like that, okay? I really ain't got nothing else to say, man. You know what I'm saying? I think that covered it all. Okay? learning about fragrances 101. I think y'all did good today. Thank you, class. You did good. I'm a good teacher. Okay, so I'm about to get up out of here. I'm about to eat. About to make some more shorts for TikTok because that's really fun. See y'all later. I love y'all. I'm Big Boss. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Very cool, dude. I can say so myself. All right. Love y'all, and I'm out.